Okay, myself, Dr. Shahbaz Khan from GLA University, Mathura, India. Basically, we have conducted a systematic literature review on the application of blockchain for the betterment of financial services. As we know that the blockchain is a secure network for performing the transaction, either it could be financial or non-financial. Due to the strong security mechanism, blockchain is appealing to a variety of businesses such as supply chain, logistics, financial services, uh, and other relevant domains. Blockchain offers the decentralized system in which the user can update the blockchain network. When you update a blockchain network, then a there is a mechanism by which you could store the information, and that is very secure because of their hash function. Keeping this in mind, we have done a systematic literature review to assess blockchain for the financial services. Basically, blockchain is a made up blockchain node and master node. Node are the in charge and network node of the in charge of the network block, and the addition to the blocks to a blockchain is challenging because it requires some sort of uh, mathematical operation to add a block to the genesis block, or any block to the blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger in which the copy of ledger is kept of the connected computers. The network is referred to as a blockchain because it made of the interconnected blocks that serve the transaction records. Here we have identified our research objective for conducting this systematic literature review. Firstly, we have briefly talked about the blockchain technology and their need in the financial services. After that, we have discussed about the tools and strategies that are used for the financial services. Our third objective is to study the various featured services of blockchain technology in the financial domain. And finally, we have identified 32 applications of financial services in which blockchain could perform very well. Here are some tools and methods for the of the blockchain for the financial services, such as for the security enabled transactions. Blockchain is very useful, and for that we have these 4, 5, and other tools by which you could secure your blockchain, such as Get, Pretty, Digitally, testnet. And for the transparent system, we have another sort of tools by which you could make your blockchain more transparent. Next, next, it is the cost effective as well as the real-time tracking is also here are the 5 feature services of the blockchain technology for the financial domain, such as you could do the cross-border transactions with the help of blockchain. You could trade independent to the intermediaries. Cleaning, uh, Clearing and settlement of the transactions could be done in a very effective manner. Digital identity verification could be done, and credit reporting is also done with the help of blockchain technology. Here we have identified the Here we have identified the 32 applications of blockchain in the financial services, such as with the help of blockchain, we could prevent the fraud, we could calculate the credit score, maintain the privacy and confidentiality of the pay, keep the track of transaction, assure the security and transparency, helpful in money transaction, boost stakeholder confidence in the transactions, banking operations, improve client affordability payment, minimize the expenditure of the transfer procedure, speed up the transaction system, enable digital currencies, ease in auditing processing, financial services, tokenization, smart contract, reduce time and expenses of the financial institution, identity management, security store financial transactions, and traceability of the data during transaction, assist to enhance the capital market, digital currency transaction, facilitate the trading, promoting data confidentiality, increase stock trading transparency, maintain financial ledger facilities, knowledge sharing and collaboration, secure domestic and international payment, boosting productivity, management of digital assets. These are the 32 application areas where we could uh, apply the blockchain technology in the domain of finance or financial services. Now come to the discussion. This technology can transform the banking sector in a way other than the money transfer. Blockchain is a traffic tool for tracking the transaction and ensuring the accurate and secure data. Once you have uh, add a block in a blockchain, then it could not be tampered. It is to uh, it is the it is nearly impossible to tamper the information in the blockchain. Decentralized finance was made possible by the use of blockchain in the financial domain. It is the form of financing that employ smart contract and blockchain to do away with middlemen from the financial service industry. This is the very important topic, because this is the very important application of the blockchain. Here we could cut down the middleman. Financial institution and organization can benefit from the blockchain to build trust, promote and transparency, and of course we could reduce our expenses. Now there is some limitation when we are going to adopt the blockchain in financial domain. Switching to the first one is the switching to the blockchain technology can be expensive and time consuming, especially given the scarcity of the qualified blockchain developer. There is a lack of scarcity of the qualified person who could design the blockchain, especially in the emerging countries or underdeveloped countries. To implement the blockchain, companies would need to alter their current procedure. If any company or any financial institution want to adopt the blockchain, then they have to move from from their existing system to a new system that is very costly, and they are they face some sort of resistance from the current employee or the government. It is doubtful that the blockchain will replace the current financial system in the future. We can't say that the blockchain technology is going to change the financial services in the future, but there is a possibility it will disrupt the existing financial system in upcoming futures. Information from the other blockchains cannot be exchanged or used by the blockchain. This is the another limitation of the blockchain technology, because we can't exchange the information among the two blockchains. Information are exchanged within the blockchain. Now coming to the conclusion, blockchain technology is appealing to a variety of the businesses, and it could be used for the several applications in the financial domain. Some popular tools of the blockchain are discussed. Various features services of the blockchain technology in the financial domain is also presented in that paper. Several application of the blockchain technology in financial services is identified and could help, and this could help the manager to adopt the blockchain. And this is all about in this paper. Thank you.